Hey everyone, I'm Julie Coraccio, and I'm a professional end of life organizer, author, life declutterer, certified life coach, and the host of the popular podcast Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out. I'm passionate about supporting you in living your best life, and clutter prevents you from doing that. My definition of clutter is this: clutter is anything that prevents you from creating the life you choose, deserve, and desire. Clutter can cost you money, it can mess with your health, it can make you lose your peace of mind, it can cause havoc in your relationships. Clutter can be an incredible burden and weight, and I'd like to support you in releasing that. I'm also passionate about supporting you in end of life organization because when you prepare for death, you can live life fully. One of the greatest gifts my parents gave to me was sitting down with me and my brother and talking about their wishes. So when their time comes, we can spend it on grieving, not trying to find the safety deposit key or wondering what the online passwords are. Here's how I can support you. First, with life coaching. We'll work on increasing your awareness and understanding where your clutter is and how to take steps to move forward to release it. I also have a group coaching option through Patreon. I also do business coaching and work with solopreneurs just starting out in professional organizing, as well as people beginning to launch a podcast. I do end of life organization and can help you organize your paperwork, make a plan for your digital afterlife, sensitive information, and more. Don't forget, we need to have a plan for your pets as well. I also do decluttering in your home or workspace, as well as doing space clearing. If you're interested in doing eco friendly work, fantastic. I have a lot of tips that will allow us to do that. Finally, I'm a professional public speaker. I have lots of topics that we can choose from, and we'll always customize a presentation to suit your needs and your corporation or your group. If you don't need individual support, please check out my store. I have multiple books on decluttering, affirmations, organizing and decluttering classes. I'm always creating, so make sure that you check back regularly, as I also do online workshops as well. Thanks for listening. I offer a free 15-minute consultation and look forward to connecting. Ready to create the life you desire? Come on, let's get started.